What's good, Match One Card Shack fam? It's your man with the plan, and today we got a different video. You know what I'm saying? I'm glad to be back. I'm glad y'all are back. Today we are opening the Fleer 91 Ultra Football Pack. It is football season, so it's football pack opening. You know how we get down around here. The lovely Match One Card Shack fam banner. You know what I'm saying? Thank you. All right, let's get right into it. All right, y'all. Let's get it started. Kind of missing my tool today, but that's okay. We're gonna get right into this box. So I know this is the 91. You know, I did a couple of research on it, on the box in the year. We are looking for that Brett Favre, the Brett Favre rookie card. It's got a little piece of paper on the floor, a little plastic. We don't want those. We don't care about those. You know what I'm saying? So, oh no. Tell me what y'all think about this new camera. You know what I'm saying? We got something new going on. Here you go. This is the packs right here. Take them all out for you. We gonna get these going, man. I do believe they also have like Jerry Rice, Emmitt Smith. But I think the card we're really looking for is Brett Favre. So hopefully we get that. I think it's like what, 16? 14, my fault. It's 14 in every pack. Right? Throw that to the side. We don't need that no more. Alright. Let's get it started. Let's open this first one right here. You know what I'm saying? No tool today, so it might be a little rough, but we gonna pull through, of course. Of course. Hey, hold on. That's ain't that crazy? Look, right off the rip, we got a Jerry Rice. Let's go ahead and put that to the side. We got Mike Saxon, Brian Brennan, Steve Smith, Jerry Gray, Leon White, Mark Boyer, Bruce Kozerski, Lewis Oliver, Albert Bentley, Tim McDonald, Deion Sanders. Yeah, Mr. Deion. Keeping that. Ezra. I don't know how to say that. Tuola. And then Shane Coleman. That's the first one, you know. So, right off the rip, we got two, I would say, successful opens. Like a really successful open up. That's like a really good start. There we go. Right up two. Here we go. Jared Bunch, Rodney Hampton, Reggie White, another Jerry Rice. Okay. I think we're gonna get the Brian Brennan again. Steve Smith. Guess we'll put that right there. Jerry Gray. It's probably gonna give us another Deion Sanders, and I'll take it. Hopefully. Bruce again. Lewis Oliver. Oh, Tim McDonald. So we didn't get our guy Deion. You know, okay. We're really looking for that Mr. Brett Favre. Maybe that's what we're looking for. Dexter Carter, Jerry Ball, Leroy, Hartley Dykes, Willie Anderson, Carl Banks, Kyle Clifton, Gary Anderson, Mark Clayton, Ken Harvey. Okay, and then the last card is Leon Seals. Okay. Cool. We're chilling right now. Got first two packs. We got 3 good cards. I think that's too bad, right? Pretty straight. Also I want Emmitt Smith. I want Emmitt Smith. Let's get Emmitt Smith. Willie Anderson again. Carl Banks. Cal Clifton, Gary Anderson, Mark Clayton, Ken Harvey. They giving me these cards, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's literally a repeat of that last pack. Like, the beginning of it was a repeat of the last pack. And it changed up a little bit. Lorenzo White, Eddie Brown, David Treadwell, and Kevin Porter. Okay, let's try to open one of these over here. Hope y'all had like a good little day. All day been good. Who we starting off with? Ant Mueller, Anthony Munoz, Ricky, Albert Lewis, Lewis Lips, Anthony Miller, Tommy Kane, Mark Carrier, Don Murkowski, Gerald Riggs. I feel like Joe Montana. That's definitely one we want right here. Joe Montana. Okay. Let's go. Wade Wilson, Dalton, and Herman Moore. I feel like football got like some of the weirdest names, you know. Gronkowski. I mean, he got like Dirk in the NBA, but however you say his last name. And then I can't even say Antetokounmpo, however you say his name. That's a really weird name too. But a lot of outskis in the NFL, I believe. All right. Eugene Marv, Gary Plummer, Kevin Green, Mike, Joe Moat, Vinny, Steve Young, Willem Fuller, Eric Hill, Sam Seal, Mark Vanderpool. I don't know about that card. Would you keep a Mark Vanderpool card? Scott Norwood, Haywood, and Eddie Anderson. How many Andersons have we gotten? 6, 5, 4, 3. We got like 5. 2 Jerry Rice. And a Joe Montana, which I ain't too mad. Got a Joe Montana. Tim McGee. Al Toon. Willie. Sammy. Jack. Aaron Cox. Mike Rose. I don't know. Mike Roser? Rose? Eric. I can't say his last name. But, you know. I just honestly can't say the last name. I don't want to mess it up. So, Eric. Andre Reed. Sean Jones. Tim Brown. James Brooke. Bobby Humphrey. Christian. My fault. Here we go. Going from off the end right here. You know what I can't believe? Who's 0-9 again? I can't. They might. No, they're 0-10 now. Who's that? I can't believe that they're actually 0-10. I cannot believe that. A game. Hopefully they win one. Why is this pack just so hard to open? There we go. Can't believe I actually misplaced my tool. So it'd be very helpful right now. Also, I think Sean Elway also comes in this pack. Wes Hopkins, Tom Ratham, Michael Irvin. Honestly, don't even. Who's that? Cowboys. Reggie. I don't even really like the Cowboys like that. They're cool though, I guess. But I'm a Houston's fan, so we know how that goes. Houston, all the way. Ron. Was he traded? Who was he traded to? Was he traded to that team? Clarence Verdon. Ernie Jones. Keith Jones. And Godfrey Miles. How y'all feeling about this mic quality? You know what I'm saying? We're kind of trying to change things up, trying to get things a little better, you know what I'm saying? Better production. What y'all thinking so far? Y'all liking this production? Boomer. Oh, John Elway. That's another one. Let's get that. Yes, sir. Looking for that one. Stephen Page. Bubby. Gilbert. Let me try. Let me see. Derek. Trace Armstrong. Tim Harris. Wilbur Marshall. Chris Bowman. Toy Cook. Is that how you say it? Toy? Dan McGuire. Pepper Johnson. And Randall Cunningham. Mr. Randall. It reminds me of Monster Inc. What was his name? Was it Randall? The little, what was he? Was it Gecko? Or was he like, I don't realize he could just turn invisible. I think it was technically a Gecko. I do want the Emmitt Smith though. Even though I do want that. Leslie O'Neal. Patrick Hunter. Richard Dent. Brian Noble. Mark. Joe Browner. Steve Walsh. Pat Harlow. Lewis Tillman. Jerome Brown. Brent Jones. And a checklist. I mean, I've seen some cars with like the cool looking checklist. I definitely want one of those. Cool little checklist. Yes, sir. Nash, Andre, Tippett. My fault. Let me get y'all better for that. Henry Ellard, Aaron Fullington, Ken O'Brien, Chris Chandler, Jim Jensen, JJ, Bill Brooks, Tim Rosenbatch, Chris Miller. Upside down, eh? Bruce Smith. Warren Moon. I'm keeping that one. Yes, sir. The Oilers, baby. Warren. Y'all ready for Christmas time? I know I am. Thanksgiving was real great. Had a wonderful Thanksgiving. What about y'all? Tell me in the comments below. How was y'all Thanksgiving? And are y'all ready for Christmas? Robert Brown. Jeff Bostic. Ricky Waiters. You already upside down on me? What you gonna give me? Okay. Don, baby. BB, baby. Ray. Marcus Allen. Louis Billups. Steve Atwater. Steve Berg. Gary Anderson. Another Anderson. Not the other ones though. Marion Butts. Brian Blades. Neil Anderson. And Anthony DeWitt. How many Andersons are in the NFL? Who has an answer to that? Without looking on Google. Without looking on, that's a trivia question. Without looking on Google, how many Andersons are in the NFL or have been in the NFL so far? Melvin, Nick Lowry, John L. Williams, Dennis, Keith Woodside. Let me try. My fault. Kind of going too fast for y'all. Ricky Sanders, Rick Feeney, I think right, and then Pat Swillen. Also, another question. Worst QB and best QB of all time, in your opinion. And not from this season, just all time. Don't think of this season. Don't think of like any of the last seasons. Right? I want to see who y'all think. Vance Johnson. I want another Moon guard. Very word. Rob Bernstein. Jake Green. Brad Buster. Jeff Query. Ernest Biner. Steve Jordan. Eric Martin. Mike Pritchard. And David McGett. Just pull them. got a lot left, honestly. Oh, look who's on the back. Anderson. Darrell Green. Anthony Carter. Morton Anderson. I guess Anderson was like a really popular like last name during '91 or whatever year they were born. Keith Byers. Dexter Carter. Jerry Ball. Leroy. Yeah. Harley Dykes. We already got one of those. Got another one. Another Willie Anderson. What's that? Carl Banks. Kyle Clifton. Another Gary Anderson. Basically almost finished with this middle row. We're kind of just pulling them though. Like I wouldn't really like going by rows. Just picking them up as we go. So, Brian Blades. Neil Anderson. This is crazy how many Andersons there actually is. Let me see. Emmitt Smith. Yeah. We're keeping that, buddy. Anthony Carter. Morton Anderson. Mike Crow. Otis Anderson. Keith Byers. Dexter Carter. Jerry Ball. Leroy. And Harley Dykes. Man. Jerome Brown. Brent Jones. Whatever. Oh, checklist. Kind of move that to the side. I want a checklist like with a really cool like person on it, right? Give me like one. Give me one with a like moon on it. That's a checklist. Joe Moe, Benny, Steve Young, William Furzer, Eric Hill, Sam Seal, and Mark Vanderpool. Two more right here. Whew. Hang on, they names are like, hang on, pretty cool for this time. Dan McGuire, Pepper Johnson, okay, Randall Cunningham, my fault, Michael Coper, Kevin Mack, Maurice Hurst, Ben, Mark Collins, Rob Moore, Mark Carrier, Reggie Robbie, Double R, Mike Pryor, and Johnny Johnson. JJ. So many others. There's another JJ in here. Got another JJ. Y'all have any other like pack openings y'all want to see me do? Like, what y'all got any suggestions down there? Anybody y'all want to try to see me open get? Bobby Humphrey, Christian, Dwight Stone, Billy, Joe, Dave Craig, Jim, wait, yeah, that's Jim, Charles Wilson, Alvin Walton, Hassan Jones, Vaughn Johnson, Randall Hill, Maurice, Anthony Tony, and Derek Bowler. Whew. We got just these two left. Oh, I didn't knock down my cards, man. I didn't knock down my cards. We're 18 minutes in here, folks. You know, around 18, 19, 20 minutes in. John, let me come up a little closer for y'all. Oh, this is what we were looking for. Yes, give me that. Cookies, you know what I'm saying? Brett Favre, looking for that Al Smith. Mickey Woods, Steve Sue, Emil Harry, Thomas Everett, Arthur Cox, Terry Wooden, William Peary, Sterling Sharp, Gary Clark, and Herschel Walker. I wish I had that tool, but I haven't been needing it right now. Craig Hayward, Russell Maryland, Phil Simms, Keith Jackson, Don Griffin, Troy, Dean Gash, Andre Tippett, Henry Ellert, Daryl Fullington, Ken O'Brien, Chris Chandler, and Jim Jensen. JJ again. A different JJ though. Forgot what the other JJ name was. But I know they called him JJ growing up. No doubt about it. What's everybody doing? I know New Year's is not here, but it is like 2 months away. What everybody doing for New Year's? Y'all got any special plans? Another Emmitt Smith. Thank you very much. Clay Matthews. Jim Everett. Tim McGee. Al Toon. Willie. Sammy. I can't say that. Trudeau. Aaron Cox. Michael Roser. I still can't say that name, but there you go. Eric. Andre Reed. What is it? Bienemy. Sorry, it's a weird name. True Hill. Okay. Fine, smooth. Anthony Munoz. I know a lot of these cards look like they going like the same rotation. It's like some of them, but then they like switch up midway through. It's kind of messing with me. Mark Courier, Don Majowski, Gerald Riggs, Wade Wilson, Dalton Hillard, and Herman Moore. Let me get a. Already got a Joe Montana. Got 2 Jerry Rice. Do we have a John Elway? I don't remember. I think we got 1 John Elway. If we don't, want a John Elway here. Come on now. John Elway this pack. Right? Guess in the comments if we get John Elway this pack. Right? If you guess right, hey, you can see the future. The future teller. Future teller. Not a fortune teller. A future teller. Willie Gold. David. Mark Jackson. Okay. Gary Thomas. Merrill Hoge. Bert Grossman. Norm Johnson. Cade Butler. Perry Kemp. Art Monk. Derek Thomas. We are kind of nearing the end here, aren't we? Just a little bit. Just a tad bit. Just a tad bit. Almost there. Anthony Munoz. I got him like 4 times. Let me get Jerry Rice 4 times. Albert Lewis. Louis Lips. Anthony Miller. Tommy. Mark Courier. Don Majowski. Gerald Riggs. Wade Wilson. Dalton Hillard. Herman Moore. Lawrence Taylor. And Heath Sherman. Keith Woodside, Ricky Sanders, Mike, Rick, Pat, Todd, Everson Walls, Fred Barnett, Joe Montana. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's go. Rodney. Mike Johnson. Irving Fryer. Mike Wilcher. No. Okay. Not too shabby, I tell you. Not too shabby. You did. Alright. Got checklist on the back. Go ahead and like remove that. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Ronnie. Andy. Mel. Johnny. Jim. Reggie White. Alfred Anderson. Atkins. Nick Bell. Mark Ingram. Brian Evans. And John Taylor. Oh, I'm gonna get John. Oh, wait. Come on now. Don't do me like that. At least we got Joe. Joe Montana. You know what I'm saying? Arizona Walls. Fred Barnett. Hey, look at that. Another Joe Montana. Give me that. Give me that. Ronnie Pete. Mike Johnson. Irving Fryer. Sorry about that. Mike Wilcher. Eric Howard. James Hasty. Broderick. What did I say? Broderick Thomas? Okay. Dan Marino. T.F. George. And Jay Taylor. And Andre Rison. I wonder how fast I can open the pack while saying everybody's name. I think I could, and see if I can recognize the player, right? Let's see. Let's go, let's go. Rodney. Vance. I can actually go faster, but I gotta say the names. Barry. Tim. Oh, my nose. Jacob Green. Badmoster. Jeff Query. Ernest Spiner. Rod Wilson. Steve Jordan. Eric Martin. Mike. And Dave McGee. Fred Burnett. Another Joe Montana. That's 3. Oh my goodness. They loving us tonight then. They said we're gonna give you some at the end. I feel like that left side was this left pack right here. I'm not gonna lie, that's where we've been getting all like the good stuff from. That's where we got a rookie Brett Favre. And I was looking at like, you know, other people's card pack openings, you know, just like trying to learn some more about the cards and everything. People were usually getting 2 rookie Brett Favres. So hopefully, you know, I can get another one. You know what I'm saying? Give me another one. That's crazy he don't play no more. He's old, bro. Pretty old. Is he in the Hall of Fame or is he going to the Hall of Fame? Is that happening? Who's this? Houston Oilers. Ernest Gibbons. And I'm going to try to collect all of them. Every player who try to kind of play for Houston or something like that. I'm going to try to collect that. I think that's like pretty cool to get. I'm not going to like do it in between videos. I try to do it. Make like a really big you know, stash and stuff like that. I hope I didn't miss anybody because I kind of blanked out while just talking to y'all. I don't think I did though. Russell Maryland. Lamelo. Johnny Holland. Jim Lappy. Reggie White again. I feel like they give you a lot of cards like you really just don't really care for. Anderson. I wouldn't say care for it because somebody probably wants it. But they're not giving me what I'm looking for. How about that? John Taylor. Checklist. Roger Thompson and Todd there. Now we only got 3 left after this. How are we gonna do this? 3 left, huh? Let's see what we get. Eric McCall. Stephens. Back Carter. I don't know. Please give me a Brett Favre. That's what we're looking for in this last pack. Another Brett Favre. You know what I'm saying? Another Brett Favre. Still no Brett Favre. Ryan Jordan. Mo Gardner. Still no Brett Favre, man. Hey. God dang, man. Drew Hill. And Von Miller. Ow, ow, ow. Poke myself with a card. Gotta be careful. Can't mess up the corners of the card. That's not Anthony. Yeah. Everson Walls. Fred Barnett. Another Joe Montana again. Okay. They just loving Joe Montana at this pack. I promise you. Mike Johnson. Reverend Fryer again. James Hasty. Dan Marino. George. And Jay Taylor. He's been at the end of a lot of packs. Alright. We are on our last 2 packs. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. Alright. Pete. Ernest Givens. Willie Go. Let me come look at it so you can see it better. David. Mark Jackson. Eric Thomas. Bert Hodge. Bert Grossman. Norm Johnson. Come on. Come on. Give us this. Give us this. Give us this Brett Favre. Come on. Give us a Brett Favre. And one. Last pack. Hey. Come on. Give us a Brett Favre. Come on, we got so many Joe Montanas. It's wild. Here we go. Hayward is first up. Russell is next. Phil Simms. Keith Jackson. Don Griffin. Come on. Woo! Andre. Come on. Henry Allen. Donald Bullington. Ken O'Brien. I'm not looking. Chris Chandler. It's JJ again. Jim Jensen. Another one. And then Bill Brooks. Man, they didn't give us another Brett Favre. It's alright. It's all good. Pass it to bank account. It's all good. We ain't get that, the Brett Favre again, but we did we got a lot of Joe Montanas, guys. Overall, I think it was a real good pack opening, and it's been a minute since we've been on here, I think it's been a little bit too long. I'm glad I'm back. I'm gonna try to up the production of the videos we put out, as in how fast we put them out, how good they are when we put them out. I'm gonna try to get better overall, But I want to say thank y'all for tuning in this video. Y'all know we got a lot more to come. You know what I'm saying? Appreciate y'all for being part of the Match 1 Card Shack fam. This is your host,